Hello, wonderful crafters and miniature enthusiasts. I'm delighted to welcome you back for another cozy holiday project. If you join me for the miniature Christmas bed tutorial, you know that we are busy creating an entire festive dollhouse bedroom. Today we're focusing on a crucial piece of that set, this absolutely charming miniature nightstand. With its working drawers and beautiful winter village print, it adds the perfect functional touch to our scene. Just like with the bed, this tutorial will teach you the fundamental construction principles. While I'm using my specialized templates with this beautiful deep green, sparkly finish and holiday imagery, you are learning a technique you can apply to any miniature furniture design. Feel free to use your own prints, patterns, and colors to match any style you dream up, whether it's classic, modern, or utterly unique. The possibilities for customization are endless. To begin this project, let's gather our essential tools and materials. First and foremost, you'll need sturdy paper or thin cardstock, ideally in the range of 160 to 200 GSM. This ensures your nightstand has solid, crisp lines and can stand up on its own. For cutting the pieces, a sharp pair of scissors or a cutting machine like a Cricut will do the job. And for those all-important straight, clean folds, grab your scoring tool. I use an awl, but a non-writing pen or even a sturdy pin can also work to press those fold lines. Because this piece involves smaller components, especially the drawers, you might find a pair of small tweezers incredibly helpful for precise placement. And finally, glue. I continue to prefer a silicone-based adhesive for these projects because it sets quickly, which is a big advantage when dealing with small, multifaceted pieces. But use whatever quick-setting craft glue you are most comfortable with. Before we start, remember my golden rule for all paper crafting: precision is paramount. Take your time on the scoring lines, ensure your folds are made as straight as possible, and that you are creating a true 90-degree angle on every corner. This meticulous approach guarantees that all the faces of the nightstand, the sides, the top, and especially the drawers, will align perfectly. When everything lines up, your miniature is not only structurally sound but looks incredibly neat and professionally finished. As you can see, the assembly of the small drawers is the most intricate part, requiring patience and a gentle touch, but the result, a tiny piece with working storage, is so rewarding. If you are following along with my collection, once this nightstand is complete, you'll have the perfect companion piece for our Christmas bed. If you haven't seen them yet, be sure to look through my other videos in this holiday furniture collection. We have the bed, the large wardrobe, and the multi-drawer chest of drawers available, so you can create the complete, cozy miniature Christmas scene. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I hope this tutorial inspires you to bring your own miniature holiday visions to life. Happy making, and please subscribe for more craft projects.